It's not every day I get to share with you one of my all-time favorite recipes. This is an oldie but a goodie. It has over 1,000 5-star reviews. One of the very few recipes that we put into our cookbook from our blog. It's so good, it's so easy, and the flavor is mwah. All right, I'm craving salmon, so let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit and line a rimmed baking sheet with parchment paper for easy cleanup. You can also use a silicone liner if you prefer. Arrange your salmon on the parchment paper and set that aside. Here's how to make my all-time favorite glaze for salmon. Start with some finely chopped parsley, then add in some freshly grated or pressed garlic cloves. Now add your olive oil, and that's going to get infused with all of that great garlic and parsley flavor. Add your fresh lemon juice, and always use fresh here, not from concentrate, for the best flavor. I'm using my handy citrus squeezer, and this has been my favorite one. It has lasted the longest, and I will link to it in the recipe notes. There's a fair amount of lemon juice in here, but it adds such a vibrant, fresh flavor to the salmon. Also add some Dijon mustard. I'm using Grey Poupon, but any Dijon mustard will work well. Now, last but not least, add some salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Use a fork to stir all of that together until it's well combined. All you have to do is smell this marinade to realize it is so good. One of my favorite things about this salmon recipe is there's no marinating time required. You actually don't want to marinate for a long period of time because there is lemon juice in the glaze. It can start to cook the salmon, so I like to brush it on, making sure you get the top and sides of the salmon so that every bite has plenty of flavor. Then top with some thin lemon slices. The lemon slices are more of a garnish than anything else, so feel free to skip them, but it does look so pretty. Now bake in your preheated oven, and it takes just 12 to 15 minutes. It depends on the type of salmon you use. If you're using a thicker salmon fillet, it can take longer. A thinner fillet will cook up faster. Make sure to check at the thickest part of the salmon until you reach the internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Those of you who have already tried this recipe, you already know it is so good. I know it's so good. That's why my mouth is already watering. But we're gonna do this taste test because I cannot wait. All right, and I wanna show you just how flaky this is. I think the key with any salmon is check it with that thermometer. Make sure it doesn't go above 145 degrees Fahrenheit because once it gets overcooked, it gets dry, but this is just perfection. Cooking it at that high heat seals in the juices. Oh, okay, here, let me show you. Let me show you what I'm talking about when I say juices, okay? Check this out. Look at that, how easily it flakes. It is ultra flaky, ultra juicy, which is exactly what you want to see when you're making salmon, and infused with so much great flavor. I'm telling you, this is the best salmon marinade. This is the best baked salmon, in my humble opinion. That wasn't very humble, but hey, it's my opinion. Okay, here we go. Big old bite for me. Oh, look at that juiciness staring back at me. Here we go. Oh. I'm just having a moment. It's so good. Just that fresh lemon punch and garlic and parsley, all of it working together. It's so simple, but so good. You can put it over rice, with mashed potatoes, with pasta, with just a fresh salad. You can even like flake it and put it into a salad. I know it's gonna become a favorite for you. We've got this recipe on our blog, in the book. If you haven't got your hands on the book already, I will leave a link to it in the notes. And oh, let me know where you spotted Sharky. And let me know if you have any recipe requests, especially salmon. And speaking of which, if you love this salmon recipe, make sure you check out that one right over there. I'm sure it's gonna become a new favorite as well. And we'll see you on the next episode of Natasha's Kitchen. Bye. All right, where was I? Okay, that's where the hair came from. Okay, back to business. This taste test just went south. So good. Oh, there it is. Isn't it the best?
Oh, yeah.